Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Deel for contractor payroll and earnings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a selected password. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation link from Deel. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Deel website and log into your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Contracts section in the menu. Click on Add New Contractor to begin the subscription process. Enter the contractor's email address and select their country. Choose the type of employment, whether it be freelance or full-time. Review the payment options available for your contractor. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Next, you'll need to set up the payment frequency and rates. Select whether you wish to pay weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Enter the agreed-upon rate for your contractor's services. After setting up the payment details, click Confirm. You may be prompted to review the details of your contractor agreement. Read through the contract carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. Once satisfied, click the Finalize Contract button to proceed. You will then be able to manage your contractor from the dashboard. Keep track of their invoices and payments through the platform. Lastly, communicate with your contractor through the messaging feature if needed. Enjoy the streamlined process for handling payments and contracts with your contractors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.